What's going on YouTube? It's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in this video guys, we finally got it in the mail. We ordered a Chinese mystery box, as you guys can see in the title. We paid $10 for it. So a small one, but it's the start of many. So we ordered this like 2 months ago and it finally came in the mail. So we're gonna hop right into it. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Christina, my name is Martin. We do thrifting, retail arbitrage, we're adding funny now to the channel. We do a lot of live stream interviews, so check out all of our videos. You'll get to know us a lot more, and follow us on Instagram because we're posting on there like every day. But in this video, it's nothing about reselling. It's our eBay mystery box. It's our second one that we have done, so go check out the first one. And we've actually tried to make this video 3 times now, and it just hasn't came out the way that we liked it. So we already went through this mystery box like 3 times because we just couldn't get this video right. But we're gonna be filming what they are, and then stay tuned till the end so you guys can learn how to win all of these, because last mystery box we were going to give one of the things away, but we ended up just giving them all away because it was a lot of fun. Yeah. So stay tuned till the end so you guys can learn how to win all of these prizes, or just one of them at least, because you'd be really lucky if you can win all of them. But we're gonna hop right into it. So like we said, we got this from China. I threw all the things just in this bigger box, but I'm not gonna show you guys because she's gonna pull it out and it's gonna be a surprise to you guys because it's not a surprise to us. So we ordered this like 2 months ago and it finally came in the mail. It was $10, shipped from China, and these are the things that we got. So
first on the list.
So she picked out this little cube thing.
Like a little puzzle cube.
So this cube is like, you gotta like pull one of these sides off, kind of mess with this a little bit. I don't know, one of these angles come out and then you have to go on from there. Oh, I'm not even doing it on camera. Oh, so like see, you go from there and then you take it all apart and then you put it back together. So I am obviously not going to do that. I let one of you guys do that, whoever wins this.
Send us a video of you putting it back together. We'd love to see.
That would be really cool to get an updated video on that. So that was first, this little cube.
Oh, this one's the best. We are still very unsure of what this is.
Yeah.
But
it's like a $100 bill. It's like an Australian $100 bill.
Thank you.
And it's like a wallet, we think, or maybe like a tissue holder. We don't know if you're supposed to fold it or not. We're not gonna fold it because we just want to keep it how it is for one of you guys.
We'll leave that to you guys.
And then I'll even show you right here. Get this back in. As you can see, all that Chinese writing. This is from China.
How funny that it's an Australian bill, but Chinese lettering, like, whatever.
So we're going to the third item. Ooh, the hat. So this is just a plain blue 6-panel adjustable hat. Nothing really to it. It's got a nice metal clip though, or maybe that's like brass. Not really. I don't know what kind of metal.
It actually looks nice on, I'm not gonna lie.
There you go. You can see it from China. And yeah, this is from China. We just took the package off and threw it out the first video that we filmed because
it was like shrink wrapped and it wasn't anything. Yeah,
so we thought we were gonna be posting that one, but we didn't. So we're gonna be posting this one, and this is the hat. Pretty cool hat. It's got that white stripe going across it, and a 6-panel. Adjust to anybody's head. I feel like I'm like trying to like
talk it up.
Yeah. And last on the list,
an eye patch. A sleeping mask.
Sleeping mask.
I'm going to turn into a bug now.
Yeah. So it's like a nice padded sleeping mask. Really gets the light out and makes things dark.
It really does. Except my nose isn't big enough. I can like see underneath it.
So that was the sleeping mask. So nice padded. I don't know, something cool you could use to sleep if you don't like the lights. So those were the 4 things that we got in this mystery box.
Yes.
They're all right here. And like we said, to win these, all you have to do is just be in our live stream the next day. So we're gonna be posting this on Saturday the 30th. So Sunday the 31st, at 8 p.m. we're gonna be going live. So I'll have that all in the description, all in the titles and everything. Not the titles, but you know what I mean. So we're gonna be hosting a live stream giveaway with all of these. So all you have to do is just pretty much turn the bell on so you know that we're live. And then yeah, just jump in that live stream tomorrow night. So Sunday night, 8 p.m. Eastern time.
Yes.
So Sunday the 31st.
Yeah. Sunday, March the 31st at 8 p.m. Eastern time.
Yeah, so that's when we're gonna be going live.
Yeah.
Definitely jump in that live stream because then you have a chance to win all these. And like last one we did like questions about us maybe that you might know, so you might have to do some research.
I was gonna say, look up some stuff about us.
Yeah, or we might do like pick a number, or we might just like say like, I don't know, you know, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm thinking of maybe we might have one thing where it's like a movie line, so I'll say a movie line and you have to, whoever has the correct one after that or something, you know.
Oh my gosh,
we do a lot
that
of
would
funny
be so
things.
Fun.
Yeah, so it's just gonna be a fun time.
Yes.
So definitely join the live stream. Subscribe to this channel if you're not. Smash that like button so we know we can do more of these, because that lets us know if you guys are liking this or not. And yeah, we hope you guys have a great day. Her name is Christina. My name is Martin. This is Thrift Store Gold Account. Peace.
Sunday, March the 31st at 8 p.m. Eastern time.
Yeah, so that's when we're gonna be going live.